So the next question, my good friends, is a compound question. It's a compound function. So it's saying we should find f of inverse of f of 2. F of inverse of f of 2. All right, so now we have a compound a compound function. So before we get to where it's saying f of 2, we need first to know what is f of inverse of f of x, because that 2 will be replaced when we find this. Okay, so now how do we go about that? So when you're dealing with compound functions, what happens is that you split them, okay? Because we have f of x and the inverse of f of x. We have two functions here. We have f of x and the inverse of f of x. So we're going to write f of x here. Then the far end we have the inverse of f of x. And the inverse of f of x is that. And f of x is that. Hi, Cassie. Then we're going to say f of the inverse of f of x is equal to, our f of x is 2x minus 5. And produced far end, we have x plus 5 over 2. After we do that, we have just replaced, we haven't done anything. So we just splitted this thing because it's 2 in 1, right? It's a compound function. So there's f of x and the inverse of f of x. After we split them like this, the next thing that we do is, in our first function, where there is x, we replace with the everything that is in the second function. So we're going to take this where there is x. So now we have f inverse of f of x is equal to 2, open bracket, x plus 5 over 2 minus 5. So I've just gotten all this and put it right here. Okay, then after that, I can now say, since I'm multiplying 2 with everything that is in bracket, so if it's easy to just say 2 there 1, 2 there 1. So we cancel out 2. Then the f inverse of f of x is equal to x plus 5 minus 5. Then we are going to say f inverse of f of x is equal to x, because 5 minus 5 is 0. X plus 0, it is x. Then on this function here, we have f of f inverse of 2. So now where there is now x, we put 2. So we just write f inverse of f of x, f of 2 now is equal to, where there is x, we just put 2. So our answer is 2. Don't forget to tap the screen. Banofi, I see you. Gallant, I see you. Daddy, I see you. William Zambian, I see you. Welcome to this live session. Thank you for joining. So this is how you solve such a question.